na, ang ginawa mo kagabi. Magsindi, liwanag ni Kristo, atang ito, upang sila'y maging liwanag.
Please welcome Siri! Happy birthday to you. Okay, so meron na happy birthday. Wala mo naman ang happy birthday sa advance. So by the way, guys. Team Siri, are you ready? Okay, Team Marpak Boys, are you ready? To the number 3, to the number 10, shoot the balloon! Go! Okay. To the number 2, to the number 4, to the number 1, and shoot the balloon! Okay!
Ako po si Sheila Janine Casper, 26 years old, at naniniwala sa kasabihan, time is gold! Thank you!
Hi! I am Sherry Tuyao. I am 26 years old. At naniniwala sa kanabihan, kung hindi siya ang para sa akin, kawawa naman siya.
Hi! I'm Angela Cruz, 24 years old, at ang aking kasabihan ay, kung ano ang ating itinanim, ay siya nating aanihin.
Ayan, good morning everyone. My name is Sophia Gianna Haspe. I am 20 years old. And niniwala ako sa kasabihang, pag si daddy na yung nag-shot, kailangan ko na umuwi.
Thank you! I'm Jessica Torres, 26 years old, and naniniwala sa kasabihan, maganda ako dahil yun ang sabi ng mama ko!
Okay. Very good. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Louder. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, isa ulit na mas malakas at energetic. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, isang malakas na happy birthday, Simi, in 1, 2, 3, shout!
Happy birthday, Shimi!
Yay! So now, Simi, you may blow your candle with support of your mommy and daddy in 1, 2, 3. Yay!